The wait is over, and it's real. Apple is making a bold move that will redefine the iPhone as we know it. From hardware to software, everything is changing, and this time, it's bigger than anything we've seen in the past 6 years. Leaks have been circulating for months, but now, with the latest factory CAD information, we have our first solid look at the iPhone 17 Pro. Starting with the iPhone 17 Pro, the most noticeable change is the massive camera island. It now extends all the way to the edges, giving the device a more seamless yet dominant look. The flash and LiDAR scanner have been repositioned to the right, but Apple has maintained the familiar fidget spinner aesthetic that has defined its Pro lineup. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro takes a completely different design approach, featuring a horizontal camera bump. This is Apple's way of supporting an incredibly thin form factor, marking a shift in design philosophy. Lastly, the standard iPhone 17 Pro will retain much of the iPhone 16's look, offering continuity for those who prefer a more traditional design. With these radical design changes, it's clear that Apple is steering the iPhone into a whole new era. But that's just the beginning. There's more to this transformation than meets the eye, and what comes next might just be the most significant shift Apple has made in the last decade. The biggest software overhaul in iPhone history. Apple's transformation isn't just about hardware. The software is getting a complete redesign as well. Since the introduction of iOS 7 in 2013, Apple has maintained a consistent design identity, refining it over the years without making drastic changes. But now, with iOS 19, everything is about to change. According to the most trusted Apple insider, Mark Gurman, this will be the biggest software design overhaul in iPhone history. The new interface will take inspiration from Vision OS, Apple's operating system for the Vision Pro headset. This means that everything, from icons to settings, buttons, and windows, will be redesigned to create a more futuristic and immersive user experience. A leaked preview of the redesigned camera app already hints at a cleaner and more modern look. Since Apple has always prioritized the camera experience, this early look suggests that the changes will extend across the entire operating system. With such a major shift in both hardware and software, Apple is making it clear that the iPhone 17 Pro is more than just another yearly update. It's a redefinition of what the iPhone represents. But the transformation doesn't stop here. Apple is also making a critical change in its iPhone lineup, and it's one that could shake up the smartphone market entirely.